Now with our index file open, we're going to need to add some new code in here in order to make our page work. So inside of this PHP open and close up here, we're going to make a couple new lines, and then we're going to type that stuff in right there. So between this opening PHP and this close PHP, we're adding all of these lines here. And what this is basically doing is it's saying everything after that last /, we're going to pull the URI. And so if I'm typing in my browser, whatever / about, it's going to check and see if about exists. And if it doesn't, it's going to set it to home. Or if no page exists, it will set it to home. Otherwise, it's just going to set the page equal to whatever that segment is, and then that variable gets used as the associative index. So whatever we have in content.php, so let's say about is what ends up being in that variable, it's going to bring and pull in the title and the content and set it here to title and content. Now what that means is we need to access title and content now down in our HTML. So this echo right here needs to change to my content. Make sure you match your capitalization. And then the title of the page will be right there. Very cool. Now, one thing that's going to be weird is that because we have moved our index.php into the public folder, it's no longer going to be able to find the head and the navigation. And this require once here. Now, your require once might actually look like that. So what we want to do is we want to tell it to navigate back one folder. So outside of the public folder. So I'm going to do .. in front of content.php, and then .. in front of head.php, and .. in front of nav.php. And that should be all we need to do in our index.php file. There's still more to do other places, but for right now, it will be pulling in these necessary PHP files, but it will traverse back into the main folder out of the public folder to access those. Okay? Cool, cool, cool. Don't forget to save your work.